Which country is the base of operations for Flixbus, the travel tech company expanding into South India?
Germany.
What is the name of the indigenous mobile operating system developed by IIT Madras?
Bharos.
Which company is the first in India to receive ISCC Plus certification?
Reliance Industries.
Until which date has the Delhi government imposed a complete ban on firecrackers to combat air pollution?
1st January.
What was the percentage increase in the FAO All Rice Price Index during July, compared to the preceding month?
2.8%.
Which countries lead the International Biofuels Alliance?
India, Brazil, and the United States.
Who is the recipient of Padmapani Lifetime Achievement Award at the upcoming Ajanta Ellora Film Festival 2024?
Javed Akhtar.
Which union ministry launched the Prajwala Challenge?
Ministry of Rural Development.
In which month was the tiny radioactive capsule that went missing in Western Australia found?
January.
Which state's governor returned the prohibition of online gambling bill passed by the state cabinet?
Tamil Nadu.
Who received the Global Anti-Racism Championship Award 2024 for commitment to racial equity and human rights?
Urmila Chaudhary.
Which country received the first payment from India for hybrid power projects on 3 of its islands?
Sri Lanka.
When is World Humanitarian Day celebrated every year?
19th August.
How much penalty did RBI impose on Indian Overseas Bank for rule violations?
2.20 crore.
Kaustav Chatterjee became the 78th Grand Master of which country?
India.
Reliance Jio recently completed the work related to connecting which country with a high-speed optic fiber cable?
Maldives.
In which Indian state did ULFA, Independent, allegedly place 24 bombs?
Assam.
What is the annual interest rate offered by the Senior Citizens Savings Scheme (SCSS)?
8.2%.
Which edition of the Bharat Rang Mahotsav is the National School of Drama organizing?
22nd.
The Ocean Ring of Yoga, an event that recently gained attention, is an initiative of which ministry?
Ministry of Ayush.
In which Indian state does the traditional bull taming festival Jallikattu take place?
Tamil Nadu.
What is the full form of FMR as mentioned in the news regarding India's border with Myanmar?
Free Movement Regime.
Who is set to assume the role of chairperson of the Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, on 1st August 2024?
Preeti Sudan.
What edition of the bilateral training exercise Ajay Warrior 2023 will soon begin between India and the United Kingdom?
7th.
In which state will the 30th National Children's Science Congress be organized from 27 to 31st January?
Gujarat.
Which day is celebrated as Global Tourism Resilience Day?
17th February.
When is the International Day of Parliamentarism observed annually?
30th June.
Durand Cup, recently seen in the news, is associated with which sports?
Football.
Sea-Dome air defense system, recently seen in news, is developed by which country?
Israel.
What is Cuscuta dodder, recently seen in the news?
Invasive weed.
Where did the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, QUIC, inaugurate a new Khadi India outlet?
IIT Delhi.
Who won the gold medal in the men's T63 high jump event at the Asian Para Games 2023?
Shailesh Kumar.
In which state did the foreign ministers of SCO member countries meet?
Goa.
Which country is the host of World Water Week 2023 event?
Sweden.
What is the primary objective of the expert panel formed by the Union Education Ministry?
To revise anti-discrimination guidelines with respect to minorities in higher educational institutions.
The Sudarshan Shakti exercise 2023 was conducted along the western borders of which two Indian states?
Punjab and Rajasthan.
What is the area of the Thar Desert?
77,000 square miles.
On which date is International Albinism Awareness Day observed annually?
13th June.
Who claimed his title at the prestigious Norway chess tournament?
Magnus Carlsen.
What is the name of the newly discovered Saturn-sized exoplanet by Indian scientists?
TOI 6651b.